Come on!
Why? Why are you doing this?
Because you killed me. You ended my life. You were always jealous of me. I was cool and you were just a bully. All this time, for many years we lived next to each other. You were my neighbor. Did you ever come trick-or-treating at my house on Halloween? No. You'd come into my room, eat all the candy and take a nap in my bed. You deserve to die. But then one day, you decided to take all of your frustrations of your meaningless life out on me. You came to my house, and you know what you did? You killed me.
No! No! I don't want to go to the fridge! No! Ah! Ah! No! No! My sunglasses! You jerk! Let me out of here!
And for 8 to 9 weeks I lived in that refrigerator. After I went through all of the lunch meat and the processed cheese, I was down to nothing but tofu and rice. As if through fate, I was reborn as something much, much greater. And now, it's finally my turn to kill you.
There he is. Maybe I can do this. Maybe just one shot. Just one. My sensitive skin. Oh no. And that's pretty much how it ended, with the two of them being knocked out the way they were. In the aftermath, everything became clear why this is all happening. Getting the chance to sit down and talk with these two. Who would have thought his stupid mistake led to the rest of us having to suffer in such unusual ways? I guess in the end result, with the help of Sebastian and Jonathan cleaning up the zombie mess, in the end result everything kind of turned back to normal. Now, so pretty much, Nitro has vowed to try to solve problems without being the one that caused them. And Fron the Fridge Killer has vowed to pretty much neglect his wrath against refrigerators and take the full brunt of his vengeance upon Nitro himself, rather than the rest of us. So I guess in the end result, everything did turn back to normal. However, apparently Nitro found a way to integrate in a few new team members to his cause.